Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
So hello everyone, I'm Crescent and now I'm going to share about my experience of pilgrimage walking. So on 18th I set my journey to Basilica Born Jesus, and in my heart I was thinking to don't carry anything, no bag, no shawl, no bed sheet, and just I wore the towel on my waist, and I did not wear my slipper, no sandal, no shoes. I was on barefoot, and I set my journey towards Goa. As I was walking, just I was saying to God, I'm fully depend upon you. I'm commit myself into your hands, just you take care of me. And on all the way, just I was telling to Jesus, please strengthen me and guide me. And I have seen as I was walking, the many people to whom I encountered, they had given generously to me. Wherever I begged, they had given me, Lord, the food and to drink water. As I was going, the burning sensation and the pain which I was getting on my soul, that was amazing, because that I was checking for the Jesus. And in my silence of my heart, I heard Jesus was telling to me, you are my son and I am well pleased. And I was filled with joy, and I had tears of joy. And I was walking just towards the Basilica, and I saw my heart was filled with happiness, and I was not able to control myself. And when I reached here, I thank God for all the amazing things He had done for me during that past 3 days during my journey, and that strength He has given to me. Many graces I received, but the strength which He gave me, it was amazing. He was gracious. The God is gracious, and He had done great things for me.